So today is September 11th, 2020, and the shed has arrived, and I had two great guys from South Coast Timber who helped spend the day putting in a sub-base sort of base, and then built the shed base, and it's really great. I suddenly sort of realised at lunchtime it was September 11th, and I hadn't had any sort of horrible pangs of memories from September 11th, not feeling upset. And I thought it was actually really special that today is when this is being created, which is awesome. Something really positive to mark September 11th now, and so that's really great. So I told the guys that because I thought it was special. So yeah, they helped dig up, or because we had to clear the ground as we sort of to get it leveled and everything. Got more of the junk. So there's batteries, a broken CD, a necklace, pipes, all sorts of mechanical things, bits of wire, cable, pipes, whatever stuff, and loads of plastic, loads of netting, loads of disintegrated carpet, everything. So I really hope that the council do finally come and clear it. It's a safety hazard, especially broken glass and toxic batteries. Anyway, so when that is removed, that will be where the compost bins, and things will water butts will be in the shade behind the shed. So the one problem we had today was I was when I was talking to the manager about how to compress the aggregate. It's MOT, sort of loose, I guess it's granite, sort of powder through to rocks. So it's what's used for paths and roadways and stuff to make a solid base that drains well, which is needed here because it floods. So we were saying that we needed to sort of compact it down a bit, but obviously we didn't have a compactor. So, ta-da! I made one. So this is a sledgehammer that I got, oh gosh, it must be a few years ago, thinking, oh yeah, I'm going to use that for something. It was basically a free cycle thing when I got a basket that we still use for laundry, a really lovely wicker basket. So the sledgehammer has finally had a use. So we've got more free cycle chicken wire, free cycle bricks, free cycle metal rods, for want of not knowing exactly what they are. So the only things I bought there are the metal wire and the tape. And the guys were really impressed. It actually worked. So I have a video of that as well. And they said I should hire it out. So yeah, that's the thumper. So not the massage thumper, but the allotment thumper. That's my massage tool at work. So I'm going to start shifting all the collected wood and glass and doors and things, and shift it up a bit. That's a frame for a small greenhouse, which I'm going to then build on with glass and things. I have wood doors, build up a sort of potting shed type greenhouse, sort of half, like lower half wood and better insulated and stuff. So yeah, that's going to be up that bit, and then all of this is going to be the raised beds as well. So because basically that's the sunniest spot. So you also see in photos that I took that the square there is the blue rope there, and this blue rope, and there's one over there, and one there. So basically, from this corner to that corner, and diagonally across that way, makes a cross within a square, and the square is an exact measurement. So I showed the guys my plan so that they knew my madness. Basically, it's the square of the sub base is 3.4 meters square, and it's is sitting within this larger square, which is like 5.22 meters, and basically from this corner where I'm standing up to there is the diagonal on that larger square. So basically I had them line up this nearest corner on the diagonal, and it's going to fit in perfectly with a pathway which will come from there and curve around and then curve around to the back. So like I was saying, if you look at the designs, it's following golden ratio, and that lovely image of a sort of spirally shell sort of shape. So I'm using that as the design. So this square system for the building is actually part of that. So it's a golden ratio. So the entire plot I've marked out exactly the positions for a perfect golden ratio. So now we go. So I'm really pleased and excited. It's really starting to take form. So that's it anyway, and we'll be coming back tomorrow and hopefully get the basic structure of the shed done, and then over time I'll just get on with finishing everything else.